how to save Instagram photos and videos to gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to save your Instagram photos and videos directly to your gallery. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Instagram app with your account. After you open Instagram, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. From here, tap on three lines at the top right. From settings and activity, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option archiving or downloading. After you tap on that, from here, you'll have to just tap and turn the option for save story to archive, save original footage or save story to camera roll. After you make this change from here, you'll be able to save your every post, photos or video automatically to your phone's gallery. But this will work for your content you post yourself. Instagram doesn't allow saving other users' photos or videos. These settings for the user privacy and copyright. You can do a screen record or you can as usual do a screenshot if you want to save that. If this helped you, like and follow for more social media tips like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.